Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center, answering one of the quick questions: how, chef, do I get my glide racks out of my wall oven? Show you right now in a few quick steps. So open up our wall oven. They're all pretty much the same. These are the glide racks. They're really going to go out. And if you know they're in is when you really press your hands down, you feel them locked in. You want to extend the glide rack out fully, okay? You want to take it with your hands, pick it up right here, and pull it towards you, okay? See how it's coming with me? There are a few teeth, one here, and one here. Those are what glide. So you just got to really pick those up. And now I take it again, and I really pick it up just like this, and I can take it right out, okay? That's glide rack 101. So while we're talking about the glide rack in here, I really like to talk about, they give you 3 racks. Here's rack positioning. I really like this one on the bottom because this is really where you're gonna put your Thanksgiving turkey, you're gonna put your big roasts, or your casseroles and things like that that carry the most weight. So really, in my opinion, I think we should really keep this to the very bottom, okay? And really rotate these two. The only time I ever use the 3rd rack is really when I want to use that holiday baking. I want to do those 3 racks of cookies, 3 trays, things like that. Or for holiday time when I have, garlic breadsticks, I have, casseroles, I have the whole 9 and the whole family's coming over. But for all intents and purposes, I usually just go with a 2-rack system. So I will show you guys how to put this back as well. So put it back the same way we put it in, just the reverse order. We'll dip this down, okay? And then we'll push it back. See how it just sits right in that groove, okay? And then just slide it all the way back, push it down, and you hear that like that. That is a lock. That it's locked. So now we extend it out, press our hands on it, we feel that weight, we know it's ready to go for some great baking. Nothing's funner than a glide rack. Close our oven door. That's quick and easy glide rack 101. Thank you so much.